Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa, welcome to Sunny Sensei. In this lesson, we'll prove that the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So, what do we have? We have a cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D with vertices on a circle with center O. Now we have to prove that the sum of opposite internal angles of this cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. That is, angle DAB plus angle BCD equals 180 degrees. And angle ABC plus angle CDA equals 180 degrees. We start the proof by joining OA, OB, OC and OD. OA, OB, OC and OD are equal. All are radii of the same circle. We will now use a fundamental property of triangles. In a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore, for triangle AOB, angle OAB equals angle OBA. Let us label these angles as W. Similarly, for triangle BOC, angle OBC equals angle OCB, both equal to x. For triangle COD, angle OCD equals angle ODC, both equal to y. For triangle DOA, angle ODA equals angle OAD, both equal to z. Next, let us focus on quadrilateral ABCD. We know that the sum of internal angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore, angle DAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle CDA equals 360 degrees. Now, angle DAB is Z plus W. Angle ABC is W plus X. Angle BCD is X plus Y. And angle CDA is Y plus Z. And all of this equals 360 degrees. We have 2W plus 2X plus 2Y plus 2Z equals 360 degrees. Dividing both sides by 2, we get W plus X plus Y plus Z equals 180 degrees. Moving further, we now look at the sum of opposite interior angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Angle DAB plus angle BCD becomes Z plus W plus X plus Y. Rearranging the terms, we get W plus X plus Y plus Z. Angle DAB plus angle BCD equals 180 degrees. Similarly, angle ABC plus angle CDA becomes W plus X plus Y plus Z. Once again, we have W plus X plus Y plus Z. Angle ABC plus angle CDA also equals 180 degrees. We are done. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.